Browser to tu.dublincityprint.ie, then click on the Login button. You will be redirected to the Coletta web interface. Enter your username and 4-digit PIN number. Then click Sign in. After a successful login, you will see your username at the top of the page. On the left side of the page, click on Remote Print. Choose your system. In this case, it is macOS. Click on Download to begin. You will be able to see the progress on the screen. Once the download is completed, a DMG file will be available. Double-click on the DMG file to open it. Once it is open, you will see the installer. Double-click on the installer to begin the installation process. macOS will ask if you trust this installer. Confirm and click Open. A screen with the setup will prompt you. Click Next to continue. Enter your username and 4-digit PIN number to authenticate, then click Submit. After successful authentication, click Next. Verify that your username is correct, then click Install. macOS will ask for administrator credentials. Enter them to start the installation. After a successful installation, click Exit. Search for printers and scanners on your computer. In the printer section, you should see the remote print installed and listed as tudublincityprint2.ie, successfully installed and ready to use. Open the document that you want to print. Click on the printer icon or press Command+P on your keyboard. Select the remote print option you installed, which is tudublincityprint2.ie. Then click on Print. After sending the document to print, go to your TuDublin account and click on Documents to view your print job. Now your document is ready to be released at the printer.